How to update Block Blast app on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to update Block Blast app on Android. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Play Store on your device. Now simply search for the Block Blast application with the help of the search icon at bottom right corner of the screen. And simply you need to tap on Block Blast app. If you see any update button, tap on update button to update it to the latest version. But if there is no any update button, that means your app is up to date. And so once the update is complete, the update button will change to play. This means the app has been successfully up to date. So that's it. That is how you can successfully update Blocklast app on Android. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.